Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you 5 iPhone settings you need to turn on right now to save battery, stop tracking and make your iPhone faster. Let's keep it simple. First, turn on significant location. For that, go to settings, scroll down, tap on privacy, location service, turn off location services. This stops location tracking you don't actually need. Next, turn off unwanted app tracking. To stop this, open settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and set security. Tap tracking, turn off allow app to request to track. This blocks app from following you active from ads. Many apps refresh in background when you are not using them, wasting battery. Fix it. For that, open settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, turn it off or select only the app you want. Your phone will instantly feel faster. Some system services run for no reason. Go to settings, scroll down, tap privacy and security, tap location services, turn off things like location based ad, location based suggestion, iPhone analyze. This won't help you. This only use data and battery. Siri listens for the Hey Siri command in the background. If you don't use it, turn it off. For that, go to settings, scroll down and tap Siri and search. Turn off listen for Hey Siri. You can still hold the side button to use Siri manually. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.